friends. I am Dr. N.V. Dhandapani from Design Consultancy, Coimbatore. Today I would like to share with you regarding our design courses we have started in the December batch. So in this design courses we have four verticals. One is for junior design engineer, product design engineer, FEA structural engineer and FEA CFD engineer. So for these courses, the content which contains like basic and fundamental concept about mechanical engineering and how to read and how to study the engineering drawings, layout, title block, bill of materials and reverse engineering, how to measure the components by using measuring devices and units and formulas, tolerance, then limit fits, and also the most important like geometric dimensioning and tolerances. Apart from this, standards and standard components, how to select the standards and standard components, and also the engineering mechanics fundamentals and strength of material fundamentals, which includes how to use the basic formulas to calculate the design calculations, and also for how to create the gear and gear manufacturing procedures, and also for design of casting and machining components and welding and sheet metal. So these are all the major portions we are going to deal with junior design engineer and product design engineer courses. Apart from this, we are also including like whatever the basics we are going to learn, that should be incorporated with your 2D, 3D and FEA simulation softwares. So particularly 2D and 3D software, maybe any type of 3D CAD software, we have to incorporate all the basic and fundamental concepts so that the industry will be expecting whatever I said. So if you have these skills, definitely you will get a very good opportunity in the domain of design or R&D engineers or product development engineers, etc. Right? So next part is like CAE engineering, which includes FEA structural engineer and FEA CFD engineer. So FEA structural, if we take, we should know and basic and fundamental concept about the engineering mechanics and strength of materials. So also you can learn the like basic things about the finite element analysis or finite element method. What are the basic equations we are using to calculate and solve the structural problems? Maybe the types of beams and types of supports, reaction forces, how to calculate by using the fundamental equations. We have to determine the deflection, deformation and strength aspect, stress strain concepts, right? So for that reason we need to learn these basic things, and also these information we have to incorporate with your any one of the CAE softwares or FEA softwares. If you take the CFD engineer, so when you are become a CFD engineer, we should know the most important areas like fluid mechanics and fluid dynamics, because the mathematical equations we have to derive, right? Once if you get the mathematical equation, based on that mathematical equation you have to get the calculated values. So these values we have to validate with the CFD simulations. So any one of the FEM simulation software we can use, and through that simulation results we have to validate both mathematical calculations and also CFD simulation results. So this is the four type of courses we have segregated. Those who are interested to learn or those who are interested to study these particular four type of courses, directly you can contact the given number or directly mail like gmail.com. So this is available in our website. So anybody, if you want to continuously learn or continuously update your skills, then you can subscribe our channel and you can continuously you can update your skills. So those who are interested, really want to learn these things, you can contact directly, then we can make use of that. Thank you.